children are already here and you must have visited the school a number of times. The school has well-equipped laboratories that give hands-on experience. Robotic labs is also for the students to learn 21st century skills like coding, artificial intelligence, etc. The school has a well-developed, lush green playground. I'm sure you all know the place where we all are right now is a beautiful green field, that is the playground of Adi Rajpal School, which is very rare. Very few schools in West Delhi have such an area of the ground. So dear parents, we all are very fortunate to be a part of Adi Rajpal School. So here, the training, the opportunity in sports is given to the students to choose from basketball, cricket, lawn tennis, badminton, taekwondo, etc. based on the interest of the students. What is the most important factor for the student? It must be coming to your mind. Is my child safe? Is he secure? I am leaving the most valuable thing of my life in the school. Dear parents, rest be assured. This is the best place for your children to be coming and studying. You must be seeing the safety and security arrangements that are made not only for children but for the parents and the visitors. So we have he wants to come to school even on Saturdays and Sundays. This is a very great thing, parents. The environment, the love of and affection of the teachers, which is being provided to the students, speaks volumes. So that is the bond between the students and the school, the parents and the school, especially between them and the teachers of the school. Every teacher, when they will immediately call the teacher, and our teachers would reply them, tell them without considering that this is their off-duty time. That is the staff we have in Adi Rajpal and for which we are very proud. And showcase their talent. The ballet which students are going to present will reflect on the values we have been inculcating in our students. I proudly stand before you to share that the performance of students in every aspect of school curriculum has been commendable. It is a matter of great pride that year after year, students of Adi Rajpal School are bringing laurels not only in academics but in co-curricular and sports as well. On behalf of the management, members of the staff and the students of Adi Rajpal School, I would like to express my gratitude to our chief guest for gracing the occasion. I would like to thank our chairman, our president, vice president, and other esteemed members of the management committee for their constant and continuous support. I extend my thanks to the other members of the management for their untiring efforts day and night to make this event memorable. I thank all of you, the who have been associated with the family, Adi Rajpal. We are extremely honored to state that students of Adi Rajpal School have achieved 100% results with all first divisions in CBSE board examination, both in class 10 as well as 12. There is no student in second or third division in the session as well. On behalf of the management, members of the staff and the students of Adi Rajpal School, I would like to express my gratitude to our chief guest for gracing the occasion. I would like to thank our chairman, our president, vice president, and other
visible. Good evening, everyone. It's a pleasure to present the annual report and share some of our milestone achievements. There's a great saying, education is simply we have excelled in the fields of academics, sports, and co-curricular activities so much that our school has become a well-known name, not only in the sub-city of Dwarka, but in Delhi. We are very much excited about our achievements. I would like all of you to share our joy. So, could I request the head boy Devansh Kapoor and the head girl Narayani Verma to present the annual report. In Adi Rajpal School. Ask me why. Let me tell you. It is the most ideal school that believes in
and put us all in prison and will cause various types of trouble and pain.
सभी देवतागण देवाधिपति विष्णु के पास जाते हैं। भगवान विष्णु उनकी विनती को स्वीकार कर लेते हैं और दुष्टों के संहार हेतु देवकी के 8वें पुत्र के रूप में जन्म लेने की बात कहते हैं।